So we have 100 drones this year in the new finale scene called Christmas Lights. And the scene itself starts after the Nativity, based off of the North Star as it disintegrates into particles of light with aerialists, and the drones appear as part of that, creating beautiful shapes and structures surrounding the proscenium of the stage, while all of the content is sort of working its way out into the house. I think the biggest challenge was keeping the tradition of the Christmas Spectacular, what we want it and what we know it to be, and what we want the audience to meet that expectation when they come to see the Christmas Spectacular. And so the creative team was very, very aware of making decisions about including all of the technology, but keeping true to tradition so that we could have the best of both worlds for our audience.